Good afternoon, all of you. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to solve the programming in Python week 7, assignment 7 solution, July, October 2024. Okay. And hi, I am Mananjan Sahu, the research scholar of C.V. Raman Global University. I have 17 years of experience. I am an IT trainer. Okay. And I am happy that I am going to solve these questions. So let's start the question here. Here are the 10 questions and I will solve the 10 questions one by one. Okay. The first question is, which of the following is the characteristics of the tuples in the Pythons? Okay. So first understand what is tuples. Tuples means tuples are used to store the multiple items, okay, in a single variable. A tuple is a collection which is order and unchangeables. Tuples are written with a round brackets, okay. Like left parenthesis or right parenthesis. Tuples are immutables means they cannot be changed after creations. They can contain duplicate values. Duplicate values. Since tuples are indexed, they can have items with the same value. We can take an example here. Tuples allow duplicate values. Okay. So here option mentioned is that tuple allow duplicate values. Okay. Tuple allow duplicate values. See how here is the variables. In variable, we will mention apple, banana, cherry, apple, cherry. The same apple and cherry and cherry 2 times ever written. So output will be apple, banana, cherry, apple and cherry. Okay. So tuples allows duplicate values. Okay. So here option C is the right answer. Tuple allows duplicate values. Moving to the question number 2. What is the correct way to create an empty tuple? To create an empty tuple. To create an empty tuple, we have to write empty tuple equal to left parenthesis and right parenthesis. This option now. Option number C is the right answer. Okay. See here. Empty tuples are created using parentheses. Using parentheses here. See, empty tuple, this one. Option C is the right answer. Okay. Moving to the question number 3. See, which method returns the number of occurrence of a specified value in a tuple? Number of occurrence. That means count. We may here take count functions. Here count. 3. Option C is the right answer. See, in case count, methods return the number of times a specified value appears in a tuple. Okay. Number of times a specified value appears in a tuples, we use the count methods. Okay. Count method. 3. Option C is the right answer. Okay. Now, moving to the question number 4. How are tuples different from list in Pythons? How are tuples are different list in Pythons? See, tuples are immutable. Okay, and list are mutable. Tuples are immutable and list are mutable. 4. Option C is the right answer. C, we may justify here. The main difference between the tuples and the list is that tuples are immutable while list are mutable. Okay, option 3 is the right answer. Option C. Okay, 4. Option C is the right answer. Moving to the question number 5. Which operators, okay, is used to concatenate about two tuples? Concatenate means joining of the two tuples. We may here take the plus or the addition operator. Okay, plus. See, the plus operator is used to concatenate two tuples. So 5. Option A is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. Moving to the question number 6. Which is the output of the following code? Okay, so first T1 equal to hello, then everyone, then welcome to SWAYAM courses. Okay, print T0, start from the base address 0, and it will T1 minus 2. That means first it will take hello. Okay, then minus 2, 1, minus 2, then it will take SWAYAM. Then hello SWAYAM. Where is hello SWAYAM? Hello SWAYAM is 6. Option B, hello and SWAYAM. Okay, 6. Option B is the right answer. See here, hello SWAYAM. T10 access the first elements. Okay, and hello T access first element, that is called hello because hello appears the first, and T minus 2 from the last end access the second to the last elements, that is it will take the SWAYAM. Okay, SWAYAM. So hello, then SWAYAM. Hello SWAYAM. Hello SWAYAM is mentioned in the option number B. Okay, then moving to the question number 7. What will be the output of the following code? Code is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, print X is 2. That means it will repeat. It will how much? It will repeat. That is again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What will be the output of the code? Print X, the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Same thing will be printed. Okay. 7A. 7A is the right answer. 7A is the right answer. See here, it creates a copy of the entire tuple. Simple copy. Whatever the tuple is that, create a simple copy of that given tuple. The tuple is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, it will copy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, the answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is option number A. Okay, 7, option number A. Moving to the question number 8. What is the size of the following tuples? Okay, two tuples are given, x equal to SWAYAM 1, 2, 3, and another is hi, welcome to Python program. Okay, so there were two tuples. Okay, the size is 2. The size is 2. 8, option B. 8, option B. The tuple X contains 2 elements which are lists. Okay, which are list. So B, question number 8, option B is the right answer. Okay, moving to the question number 9. What is the output of the following code? Okay, x equal to given variable values are given 7, 8, 9, and 10. Print x start 2. That means it will duplicate the same thing. That is 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, it will be 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. This 9C. 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. See, this operator, okay, this star operators repeats a tuple specified number of times. Okay, specified number of times. So it will be 7, 8, 9, 10. Again 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so option C is the right answer. 9, option C. 9, option C. Moving to the question number 10, the last question is which keyword is used to check the particular element inside the tuples? Particular element inside the tuples. Here, for searching a particular element, you use in keywords. Okay, in keywords. So see, the in keyword is used to check if a particular elements exist in a tuple or not. Okay, we apply in keyword. Okay, so okay, so guys, once again we will to verify our answer. So question number 1, option C is the right answer. Question number 2, C is the right answer. Question number 3, also C is the right answer. Question number 4, C is the right answer. Question number 5, option A is the right answer. Question number 6, B is the right answer. Question number 7, A is the right answer. Question number 8, 2. That means option B is the right answer. Question number 9, option C is the right answer, and question number 10, B is the right answer. Now I'm going to submit the answer here. Okay, the one message will come that your answer are successfully submitted. Okay, now I cross these things. Here you will get a proof also assignment submitted on 1 September 2024 this time also. Thank you for taking the assignment here, guys. I appeared the 10 questions, okay, successfully. And if you like this video, definitely you must subscribe my channel and like and share this to your friends and colleagues so that other people will be get benefited. Okay, so very soon I will produce the week 8 on quiz 8 assignment solutions. Okay, till then you must prepare for your exam very well and take care of yourself. Goodbye.